So, tension between wood and high is very important thing. So, the tension shouldn't be so high and shouldn't be so low. Let's try, because if the tension will be so low, when you will play on your violin, you will touch your wood of the bow by the string, and this sound will not be nice, just believe me. So then, if you will have too high tension between bow and hair, it's also not so nice. Why? Because it's very easy to lose control of the bow when you play some articulations. For example, okay, spiccato. It's easier to make when the tension is something in the middle, not so high and not so low. It's something like this. Now, if I will play, my wood doesn't touch violin string and the sound is nice. Okay, so I think it's the most important thing here, because sometimes also we need to check our screw. If you will make the tension between hair and wood very, very high, you even can destroy your screw. Okay, so now I want to show you difference when I play with very low tension and very high. So first will be low tension, yeah? You can see even hair. So when I put a bow on the violin, on the string, can you hear this noise? Not only note, not only string, it's just some noise. Hope you can hear it. And if we will not make a tension a bit higher, a bit, yeah, we still will have. Now let's try with the high tension. So if you will play just usual notes, it will not influence. But if we will play, for example, fast spiccato, I can't to control fully my bow. That's why the quality is not so, the sound not so full as it might be. Now let's compare, and it's just normal and usual. I usually check the tension when I put it here. I still have some space between hair and wood, but it's not so big. If you Did you notice the difference? Now the sound became fuller than before when we had very high tension. So we've come to the end of our lesson, and today we talked about parts of the bow and such important thing as tension. And in the next lesson we will talk about rosin, which is very important too for bow. And see you in the next lesson! If you would like more complete and advanced information, just kindly visit my website with the link in the description box below. I will be waiting for you there.